Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi di Let's Study. Kali ini kita akan membahas terkait dengan reading section di unstated detail kategori. Sebelum kita mulai ke dalam materi, perkenalkan aku Christian. Saat ini merupakan salah satu peserta di PCPM 39 Bank Indonesia. Untuk achievement dan experience-nya, teman-teman bisa lihat di layar masing-masing. Langsung saja kita masuk ke dalam pembahasan soal kali ini. Ini merupakan contoh dari pertanyaan unstated detail. Apabila soal yang sudah memiliki embel-embel stated detail atau unstated detail, itu biasanya ada dua nih komponennya. Yang pertama ada teks atau paragraf yang diikuti dengan kata tanya atau kalimat tanya seperti itu. Nah, perbedaannya dengan stated detail, unstated detail ini menanyakan hal-hal yang di luar atau kecuali yang disebutkan di paragraf. Nah, mungkin teman-teman supaya ada bayangan, kita bisa langsung saja untuk melihat contoh soalnya. Di sini ada pertanyaan, which of the following is not mentioned in the passage? Nah, jadi teman-teman memang untuk mengerjakan soal ini, kita harus lebih effort melihat satu persatu option yang diberikan. Option A sampai E apakah terdapat di paragraf atau di dalam teks, sehingga kita bisa mulai dengan mencari dari A sampai E apakah dia terdapat di teks atau di paragraf yang diberikan. Aku baca terlebih dahulu soalnya atau teksnya. Renewable energy comes from natural sources that are constantly replenished, such as sunlight, wind, water, and geothermal heat. Resources are considered environmentally friendly because they produce little or no pollution compared to fossil fuels like coal or oil. Many countries are investing in renewable energy to reduce carbon emissions and fight climate change. Solar panels and wind turbines are becoming more common in cities and rural areas, providing clean electricity to homes and businesses. Which of the following is not mentioned in the passage? A. Renewable energy sources are cleaner than fossil fuels. B. Wind and sunlight are examples of renewable energy. C. Renewable energy helps reduce carbon emissions. D. Geothermal heat can be used to produce energy. E. The cost of installing renewable energy systems is very high. Penjelasan di soal ini kita bisa melihat nih satu-satu. Option A itu berada di kalimat kedua. Sementara option B itu tertera di kalimat pertama. Lalu option C itu berada di kalimat ketiga, sedangkan option D di kalimat pertama. Sehingga satu-satunya option yang tidak tertera di soal ini adalah E. The cost of installing renewable energy is very high. Kita langsung masuk saja ke soal latihan. Di sini ada sebuah teks yang terdiri atas dua paragraf, teman-teman. Sorry. Oke. Aku akan baca paragrafnya dulu, kemudian kita akan baca soalnya. Poland is a country located in Central Europe, bordered by seven other nations, including Germany, the Czech Republic, and Ukraine. Its capital and largest city is Warsaw, which serves as the country's political, economic, and cultural center. Poland is known for its rich history, beautiful architecture, and diverse landscapes, from the sandy beaches alongside the Baltic Sea in the north to the Tatra Mountains in the south. The country has experienced significant growth in recent decades and is now one of the largest economies in the European Union. Poland places a strong emphasis on education, and its universities attracts students from across Europe. The nation is also recognized for its contributions to classical music, particularly through composers like Frédéric Chopin. Tourism continues to grow, with visitors coming to explore historical sites, national parks, natural landscapes, and UNESCO World Heritage landmarks. Which of the following is not mentioned is in the passage? A. Poland shares borders with several other countries. B. Poland has a tropical climate with year-round warm weather. C. The capital city of Poland is Warsaw. D. Poland is widely known for its classical music heritage. E. Poland's universities attract students from other countries. Aku kasih waktu 5 detik untuk menjawab soalnya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apabila teman-teman membutuhkan waktu jawaban, silakan pause video ini dan kerjakan soalnya secara mandiri. Namun aku akan langsung lanjut ke dalam pembahasan soalnya. Hal yang tidak disebutkan dalam teks tersebut adalah option B. Poland has a tropical climate with year-round warm weather. Kalimat tersebut tidak disebutkan secara langsung pada teks. Artinya, option tersebut tidak dimention atau tidak disebutkan secara detail atau tidak disebutkan dalam teks. Dan secara general knowledge, Poland itu tidak memiliki udara yang warm setiap tahunnya. Karena memang Poland merupakan negara di negara Balkan yang terletak di Eropa yang memiliki 4 musim. Kita masuk ke dalam pertanyaan selanjutnya. Which of the following places is not tourist attraction in Poland? A. UNESCO World Heritage Landmarks. B. National Parks. C. Historical sites. D. Natural landscapes. And E. Amusement parks. Aku kasih waktu 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kita masuk ke pembahasan soal. Hal yang tidak disebutkan dalam paragraf adalah amusement park, sementara opsi A, B, C, dan D terletak pada kalimat terakhir di paragraf kedua. Mudah sekali bukan teman-teman? Kita lanjut ke kalim ke soal selanjutnya. Which of the following things is Poland not popular of? A. Beautiful architecture. B. Diverse landscapes. C. Rich history. D. Space agency. And E. Legacy of music. Aku kasih waktu teman-teman dalam 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apabila mau membutuhkan waktu tambahan, silakan pause video ini. Jawabannya adalah Space Agency karena opsi A, B, C, dan D tertera pada kalimat terakhir di paragraf kedua. Kita masuk ke paragraf selanjutnya. Paragraf ini ada 2 paragraf yang membahas terkait dengan central bank. Nah, aku akan bacakan terlebih dahulu 2 paragraf ini ya. A central bank is a national financial institution that manages a country's currency, money supply, and interest rate. It plays a crucial role in maintaining economic stability by implementing monetary policy, which includes actions like setting benchmark interest rates, controlling inflation, and regulating the amount of money circulating in the economy. One of its well-known functions is issuing the national currency, making it the sole legal authority for printing money. In many countries, the central bank also acts as a lender of last resort to commercial banks during times of financial crisis, helping to prevent collapses in the banking system. Beyond monetary policy, central banks are also responsible for supervising and regulating financial institutions to ensure a stable and secure banking environment. They often manage the country's foreign exchange reserve and may intervene the currency markets to maintain exchange rate stability. Additionally, central banks play a key role in promoting payment system efficiency and security. Examples of prominent central banks include the Federal Reserve USA, the European Central Bank or ECB, the Bank of Japan, and Bank Indonesia. Although their specific powers and independence may levels may vary, central banks are vital in shaping economic health and public confidence in financial systems. Langsung masuk ke dalam pertanyaannya. These are the functions of central bank except A, regulating the amount of money circulating in economy, B, controlling inflation, C, formulating fiscal policy, D, setting benchmark interest rate, E, implementing monetary inflation. Aku kasih waktu 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kita masuk ke dalam pembahasannya. Fungsi central bank kecuali C, formulating fiscal policy, karena opsi A, B, dan D tertera pada kalimat terakhir di paragraf kedua. Masih berkaitan dengan central bank, which of the following statements is not true? A, central bank play a key role in promoting payment system efficiency and security. B, the Federal Reserve and Bank Indonesia have similar role. C, central bank is considered as one of the commercial bank. D, monetary regulation is implemented by central bank. Dan E, financial institutions are supervised by central bank. Aku kasih kesempatan dalam 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jawabannya adalah C. Central bank is considered as one of the commercial bank. Opsi A, B, dan D. A, B, D, dan E tertera pada kalimat terakhir di paragraf kedua, sementara C tidak tertera pada teks. Kita lanjut ke soal berikutnya. Masih membahas terkait dengan central bank. Which of the following institutions is not central bank? A, European Central Bank, B, Federal Reserve, C, Federal Bureau of Investigation, D, Bank of Japan, E, Bank Indonesia. Aku kasih waktu 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kita masuk ke dalam pembahasan soalnya. Jawabannya adalah Federal Bureau of Investigation di option C. Opsi A, B, D, dan E tertera pada kalimat terakhir di paragraf kedua. Kita lanjut ke soal berikutnya. K-pop, short for Korean pop music, has grown from a local South Korean phenomenon into a global cultural forces over the past 2 decades. Its rise began in the late 1990s and early 2000s. But it was the 2010s that saw the genre break into mainstream international markets. Groups such as BTS, Blackpink, and EXO, supported by strong social media presence and meticulously crafted performances, have drawn massive fan bases across Asia, the Americas, Europe, and beyond. K-pop's appeal lies not only in its catchy melody and polished choreography, but also in its ability to blend diverse musical influences from hip hop and R&B to EDM, creating a style that feels both familiar and uniquely Korean. The global spread of K-pop has been fueled by the internet, especially platforms like YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok, which allows fans from different parts of the world to instantly access and share music videos, live performances, and behind the scenes content. This digital accessibility has made languages less of a barrier as international audiences connect to the music, visuals, dance, and emotional storytelling. Fan communities, often called fandoms, play a central role organizing streaming projects, fan events, and charity drives in name of their favorite artists. which further strengthens the global network of K-pop supporters. Beyond music, K-pop has become a gateway to Korean culture, influencing global trends in fashion, beauty, and even language learning. The genre's global success has also boosted South Korea's cultural exports, contributing to what is known as the Korean Wave or Hallyu. As international tour sells out stadiums and K-pop groups collaborate with Western artists, the genre continues to break records and challenge traditional boundaries in the music industry. The spread of K-pop shows no sign of slowing down, and its ability to adapt to diverse cultural tastes suggests it will remain a major player in global entertainment for years to come. Which of the following is not mentioned as a reason for K-pop global appeal? A. Catchy melodies. B. Polished choreography. C. Use of diverse musical influences. D. Affordable concert ticket prices. E. A mix of hip-hop, R&B, and EDM elements. Aku kasih waktu 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Silakan pause video ini apabila membutuhkan waktu tambahan. Jawabannya adalah di affordable concert ticket prices. Opsi A, B, C, dan E tertera pada kalimat terakhir di paragraf kedua, sementara pilihan D tidak tertera pada teks. Masih menyinggung terkait dengan K-pop, which of these platforms is not specifically mentioned in the passage as contributing to K-pop's global spread? A. YouTube, B. Instagram, C. Twitter, D. TikTok, and E. None of the above. Aku kasih waktu 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jawabannya adalah B. Instagram. Opsi A, C, D, and E tertera pada kalimat terakhir di paragraf kedua. Kita lanjut ke soal berikutnya. Which of the following is not described in the passage as part of K-pop fandom activities? A. Organizing streaming projects. B. Hosting fan events. C. Running charity drives. Dan E. Strengthening the global fan network. Aku kasih waktu 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jawabannya adalah D. Producing official albums for artists. Opsi A, B, C, dan E tertera pada kalimat terakhir di paragraf kedua. Kita masuk ke soal terakhir dalam section ini. Which of these effects of K-pop's success is not mentioned in the passage? A. Boosting South Korea's cultural exports. B. Influencing global beauty trends. C. Inspiring foreign artists to train in Korea. D. Promoting the Korean language abroad. And E. Selling out stadium tours worldwide. Aku kasih waktu 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jawabannya adalah C. Inspiring foreign artists to train in Korea. Opsi A, B, D, dan E tertera pada kalimat terakhir di paragraf kedua. Sekian pembahasan soal kita kali ini. Ada beberapa key main takeaways yang bisa digunakan untuk menjawab soal unstated detail. Yang pertama, baca pertanyaannya dengan teliti. Pastikan paham bahwa yang dicari adalah yang tidak disebutkan atau tidak sesuai. Baca semua pilihan, bandingkan setiap pilihan dengan isi bacaan. Coret yang diterangkan di teks jika pilihan sesuai dengan informasi di teks. Coret dari daftar. Cek sinonim dan paraphrase. Informasi bisa disamarkan dengan kata berbeda, jadi jangan hanya cari kata yang persis. Apabila sudah melakukan semuanya, sisa yang tidak ada atau tidak sesuai, itulah jawabannya. Sekian sharing session kali ini. Terima kasih dan sampai bertemu pada sesi berikutnya.